Bryce Jones here at Bluegrass Junction, Sirius XM 59 is Bradley and Adair. That would be Tina Adair and Daylight Bradley Ray.
What do you mean by that?
I didn't bring any safety glasses or any ear protection.
Okay.
I just want to go look. Open area, then it ain't got nothing. Sure, you have to bring your own targets and stuff.
That's a very nice one, set up to for that price.
$50 and $100, $25, $10. Okay.
How many rounds is that?
Maybe 22. That wasn't an AR.
It's good to have a gun.
Yeah.
Just like what
Maybe we can get a metal target.
yeah, can we?
I don't know.
Their new version of the classic Jim and Jesse song.
And it's cheap.
Also plays a Rose Maddox, Rose, Golden Rose, Orient, Bluegrass Father's Day weekend.
They have a bathroom. That's
Yes,
cool.
there's a bathroom.
First day of summer in the world. This being the pandemic time.